Hey guys, Joe Clark here. Wanted to introduce a new project to you that we're doing at the Rivo building in downtown Sarasota. We're excited about it. It's going to be a kitchen and a 1-bathroom remodel. So the kitchen in this space is a little more traditional. The clients wanted to update the look, make it a little more modern. So we're going with a two-tone pattern, light gray on the bottom and white on the top. We're updating in place. So all of the main items like the stove and the refrigerator, the sink are all staying roughly in the same location. We did kind of improve the space a little bit by switching the location of the dishwasher. It's going to now be on the right-hand side of the sink instead of the left, which gives us a little more room in the corner to have better drawers and a blind corner cabinet. And how we're updating the look too is changing the color. We're gonna have gray lower cabinets and white uppers. So keep a lookout for the next video that will show us putting those in so you can see how the process is continuing on. And Kyle here is gonna show you some of the protection protocol that we do, so we can help keep the rest of your space nice and clean while we're doing the dirty work.
Well, so what I'm doing here is I'm protecting and blocking off the demolition area of this house and putting in this zipper. Excuse the noise, but it'll then allow access for the homeowner to travel in and out. So right here is a reusable zipper. I stick it on the plastic, on my plastic wall here, held up by these tension rods. And now all I'm gonna do is just cut through here, all the way down. And now what was once before not a passageway, now it is.
A lot of times in remodeling, it can be better or conducive, especially in a condo situation like this project is here, where you kind of need to maintain everything in location where it currently is. We have different parameters that we have to adhere to within that building construct where plumbing stacks can't be moved, so certain drain lines can't be moved as well. You know, your toilet might need to stay in the same place. Your shower drain might need to remain as well. So these can kind of add parameters to that design, and we work within those confines and create a new space for the client. Thanks, Kyle, that's perfect. So sometimes when we update in place, it's a good way to refresh the look in your space without having too much of an impact. It gives you a really cool new space that you're already familiar with. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. Stay tuned for more videos. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Cavex Construction. We look forward to seeing you soon.